Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami poodle face. So what you want to do first is fold your paper in half diagonally both ways. And now fold your paper diagonally in half again. And then fold the top half downwards over backward. Now, we're going to fold the poodle's ears. So what you want to do is fold the left and right edges downward until you can see dog-like ears starting to form. Now fold the bottom part of the model up. And then fold the first layer down a little bit to form the nose. Now all you have to do is draw the facial features of the poodle face. And there you have your own origami poodle face. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe. Okay, enough na yan.